Multiplexer. A multiplexer has a group of data inputs and a group of control inputs. These are all the inputs and control outputs. This is 2:1 multiplexer. It is having two input lines and one control line, control input, and Z is the output. It acts as a switch. When it is at I0, the Z becomes I0. When the switch is at I1, Z becomes I1. That is Z is equal to 1 means A. Okay. That is the control line we are considering A. Okay. When A is equal to 0, this will be I0 will be the output Z. When A is 1, then this will be I1. That means Z becomes I1. So this can be written as expression Z is equal to I0 when A is 0. So A bar plus I1 when A is equal to 1. This is the how the generalized expression. Now we'll design that is 4:1 multiplexer. This consists of 4 data inputs and 2 control inputs, and Z is the output. For this AB control inputs, the combinational values are 0001, 1011. When I0 is selecting is when these control lines are 00. Same as go on like this. Z becomes the I0, I1, I2, I3. That is how we'll write this expression is Z is equal to when A bar, B bar, that is 00, I0 plus 01, I1 plus 10, I2 plus 11, I3. This is the block diagram for this is A bar, B bar, I0 AND gate, and next all the other AND gates. Okay, then connect it for OR. You'll be getting Z. This is how to design the block diagram. Same as for 8:1 multiplexer. 8 input data inputs and 3 control inputs, and Z is the output. Z, now the same representation as this with combination of A, B, C control inputs. This is the output. Again, you can draw the internal schematic of 8:1 same as this by using. Here, what is the generalized multiplexer is 2 power n data inputs. So, 2 power n is 2. Okay, we'll get 1 output. For this, n is the control inputs. The generalized expression is Z is equal to summation of k is equal to 0 to 2 power n minus 1 because it starts with 0 to n minus 1. Mk into Ik, where Mk is the main terms and n control inputs. Ik is the corresponding data input. This is the corresponding data input I. Okay, this is the multiplexer design. Now we'll design multiplexer, that is 16:1 multiplexer to 8:1 multiplexer for a given SOP. The SOP is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Here the input, that is data inputs are A, B, C, D. So write all the combinational values. Actually this multiplexer is nothing but here the outputs are in terms of inputs. So we are considering A, B, C, D inputs, the combinational values, and Y is the output given SOP. 0 is given, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7 is not given, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is given, 14 is not given, and finally 15 is given. Okay, now using MEV method as we discussed in module 2, okay, take D as a output, that is output in terms of input. So consider this. Okay, D is 0, Y is 1, and D1, Y is getting 0. That is inverted values. So using MEV method, we'll get D bar. Both outputs are 1, so 1. Output 1, so 1. Both outputs 0, place 0. Both outputs 1, place 1. Both outputs 1, place 1. Both outputs 1, place 1. Both input as well output are same. So consider entry is D. Now again construct the truth table for 8:1 multiplexer. So 8 means we'll get only 3 control inputs. So for 3 A, B, C control inputs, combinational values 0, 0, 0 to 7. So replace this MEV data inputs D bar 110111D. Now design the multiplexer. 3 control inputs, Y is an output, and D0 to D7. Okay, now we'll design this. That is for D0, that is data line D0, first D0, the input is D bar. So connect it for NOT gate, and for D0 input, this is D bar is given. Next 1 means connect to VCC 5 volts. That is D1, D2, D4, D5, D6. D1, D2, D4, D5, D6. All were connected to plus 5 volts. Now the remaining is 3. D3 is 0. D3, that is grounded. Next 7th pin, that is D7, is D. Give the input from D. This is how to design the multiplexer. Same as we can design 16:1 multiplexer using two 8:1 multiplexers. That means 8:1 multiplexer, 8 inputs and 3 control inputs. These are data inputs. Same as 8 data inputs and 3 control inputs. So we'll be getting Z as a output, and again it is connected to 2:1 multiplexer. Now we'll be finally getting Y, and for this 2 data inputs, 1 control input. Okay, so A control input, B, C, D control inputs for 8:1 multiplexers. Likewise, we can design any multiplexer using the other multiplexer. For example, 8:1 multiplexer using 2 4:1 multiplexers, or 4 2:1 multiplexers. Go on like that. We can design any multiplexer.